Where you from? Where you from? Hey, boys, say I told y'all, man. I chill my damn self. You no cap, man. I told y'all. Oh, I mean, we just had some stalkers, y'all. They looked at me and ran away like a motherfucker. Damn. I thought they like that. What's up with it, my bro? Man, say you see what I had to tag team with my damn self, bro. Nobody wanna hop on my live, so shit, I wanna hop on with my damn self. You already know me, bro. I done told y'all, man. Y'all know what the live look at. But if y'all don't wanna pop out, I'm gonna pop out with myself and dab on them hands. You already know, bro. We taking over the game, so shit. I'm not saying I'm chill, man. I told y'all it's popping out. I'm gonna pop out. You hear me? That's what it's about. Pop out. So yeah, bro. What's up with it? I hope you had a great day, man. Everything going good over there? 'Cause I know y'all had that fire and shit. How everything doing, bro? My bro. You already know I'm gonna keep this popping, trying to keep it popping. Yes, sir. Everybody gotta go to my bro channel, y'all. No cap, man. No cap, no cap. Man, I think I still could pull it up. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, represent everybody. Represent, man. Pop out, rock out. We ain't playing no game. Yeah, it is. What you say, bro? And already, my bro. Shoot, already. What you got new coming? I know you already got some new shit coming. What's that? Firehead burn over through. Oh Lord, damn! I'm glad you blessed and you safe, bro. Okay, damn, that's a lot. Ooh, golly, that's bad, bro. No cap, bro. I'm like, whoa, man, that's sad for everybody. Man, them big old houses out there too, bro. That's some big ass houses, man. Oh man, they got that what's the name on? Say they got that police thing that I was telling y'all about them bad ass kids that were popping off and shit. They got that shit already on y'all on the police. Man, they got that shit already. That shit that I told y'all popped off in Dallas, y'all. They got that shit right here on there, man. I don't know. YouTube gonna get mad. So, oh, they got it. I'm gonna see, man. Oh, I'm gonna see what it say. Yeah, y'all, bro. Help on. Oh yeah, I saw that bad boy. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna look at that price. But you already probably got it coming beside. Yeah, man, it's going down, bro. I'm out to, yeah, I'm gonna treat myself. I gotta get out of this school damn shit out the way first, bro. This damn back to school shit comes so fast, bro. Shit. So yeah, gotta get out of school shit out the way. Other than that, back to ball. Man, they got this shit on this channel, bro. Exclusive savings on food and beverage. Wow, this shit already took. You can master 2 days ago, they already got this shit in the remix and on this police activity show. I don't think they're gonna. God, they showing this shit too. God, they got it, mother. What's up with it, y'all? Talking. What's up with it? All my bros say, treat yourself, don't beat yourself, y'all. No cap. You heard me? Pop out, y'all. We ain't playing no game. Ooh, I got them up right there too, y'all. Ooh, wee. Say y'all the cooking little channel doing stupid numbers, y'all. No cap. So everybody tap in. We ain't playing no games, y'all. I just hit 30s. I mean, I said 30. Y'all know I'm long like a motherfucker. I don't hear bullshit. Nah, we at 63 and 780K. So we almost probably tonight in the morning, y'all, we might be at 63 and 8K bars. Told y'all, man, we gonna kick ass, y'all, no cap. I told y'all, man, we the best channel, y'all, no cap. So y'all let the haters know we ain't letting up. We gonna keep dropping. I don't give a damn no video, don't give a damn. I'm gonna keep dropping, popping my shit.